This is our latest invention, and these are corners that assist in the rapid formation of hempcrete forms for in situ work. Now, bottom piece is identical to the top, and this is when you're making your corner. You know when you're setting up your form, you know what your length and width of the wall is. Now you simply slip this on. Now these will be pre-formed. Our manufacturers deciding on whether it's economically feasible to do it in steel and or stamped aluminum. These holes will be pre-drilled, and we're suggesting, if you don't pre-drill the material itself besides the corner piece, that you use the modified truss self-tapping screws, which you simply just drill through here. Well, the hole will be there, but you'll drill through that, and that forms the corner. And the reason why we have this corner open, many times we don't want to cut this to the perfect corner form. If you've got another spot you can use this format, so you're going to be able to slide this wood down, make a shorter piece if that's what you want, and you'll simply pop it in there, screw it into place so it's solid. Now your form is set. Now if you want to do these end corners in right angles, you go to the bottom, you do the exact same thing. We have H channels that are available to do longer pieces that are cut that you can join, and little trusses that go in like that. And again, this was done on an Ender Pro 3D printer and jacked up, mind you. By that I mean all of the modifications you could require. But that's how we did our preliminary testing, and we'll be rounding off this corner because of course this is a little sharp. But that is your quick form system. It allows you to do in situ casting relatively easy with your wood and local materials locally, and you'll just purchase this from us. All right, thank you.